Welcome in to another woolly review. We have James C. Brett DK with Merino. So the frogging is going to be very worrying. Now in this, you might be able to see the odd hair that does not correspond with the wool, but this is merino. It's merino. It's 100 grams of merino in the shade DM2 black, 70% acrylic, 20% siliconized soft polyamide, 10% merino wool, machine washable, but all that detailing will be down in the description below. Now, because this is on its way to a winner of Woolly Wednesday, I can't do a full swatch. Oh my word. Oh my word, what happened here? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We need to get out of this bind. What the heck? Oh my word. Ah! Well, that's just great. That's not an everyday occurrence. Okay. So, DK Merino with added glue now. Oh gosh. I hope the person that this is going to can forgive me. I'm so sorry, it wasn't my fault. Okay, it is now on my genie. I'm going to give it a go. Now they've suggested a 4mm hook, and so a 4mm hook is what I am going to use. And I'm going to do a chain of 1, 2, oh my gosh, that feels nice, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, gluey bit, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. It feels exceptionally soft. Like working with that is, ooh, that's nice. But we're going in for a row of single crochets. Now there are 9 different colors to this, and the cheapest place I have found it is for £1.99 at the Wool Factory. Again, underneath all the care instructions and official info is the link to the website. Now, of course, it might be £1.99 at time of recording. You might be watching it 2 years from now. I don't know. You know, I'm not that psychic, thankfully. So it may well differ in price, of course. Or it may well be discontinued. Who knows what the future holds? But this feels so nice and soft. Oh my gosh, what I didn't tell you was how much is supposed to be on there. 290 meters or 317 yards approximately. So I'm now going to, oh my gosh. They're soaring outside or next door. I'm not entirely sure where that's coming from. I'm so sorry for the noise. Of course it's when I'm recording, of course it is. Anyway, I'm going in for a row of half doubles, and this, I haven't worked with yarn that feels this nice for a long time. This is feeling really good in the fingers. This is really nice. Did I say how nice this feels? Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's I mean, I don't like the acrylic element, but merino is in there, even if it's only 10%. Okay, and the last row we're going to do double crochet. So that's where we're going now, into the doubles on our way to meet the frog. So yeah, feeling wise, working with it, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry for the noise. Working with it like this, if we were basing it just on this, 10 out of 10 immediately, like no question. This is lovely. Unlike the noise, I am so sorry. And of course we're here not to judge the colour, not to judge my crocheting, but purely for the wool itself. Perfect size hook, I'd say. Ignore the glue. See there, it doesn't feel as soft as it did when I was working with it. It still feels nice, but nowhere near as soft, like nowhere near as soft as it was when I was working with it. But that feels nice. That is very, very, very wearable. That feels good. I like that. There's a little bit of nice stretch on there. So, Mr. Frog, what do you say? I say there's good stitch definition in there, Miss Khadijah. Yes, but how about going for a walk? Okay. We go for a walk. We go for a walk. We go for a little walk. But I want some fun. I wanna hop on my moped. We come to the gluey bit, so it's gone funny. Wait, can't blame the gluey bit. We can't. Wow, and not much kinkage at all. That's really good. I've got to say, I'm impressed. I am impressed. Well, colour me black. I'm impressed with it. Wow. 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 So £1.99. I'll have to glue the ball band back on, but without catching the yarn in at this time. £1.99 for 290 meters. I mean, even that, it feels nice. Like, it really, really feels nice. Oh. Oh, okay. Let's hop to it then, huh? So I'm going to go immediately to there. We'll go immediately to that point. And I will push to there and say, you know what, it would be in my top 10 at £1.99 for 290 meters with merino in it. For sure. The bad bit about this is there's only 9 different shades to it. There's only 9 colours. But if the basics are there, oh, it's a tough call. I'm going to push this, or pull this, whichever, to... No, I'm going to do 4.5. The only thing that puts me off is the lack of colours. But everything else, the value for money, the softness, the fact you can frog it so easily. There's no kinkage there. There's elasticity there. It feels amazing. Flipping amazing. 4.5. Oh yeah, that's what we're going with. 4.5 ladybirds out of 5. 4.5. Wow. Blooming good. You would so be on the top of my list if you had a few more colours. But hey, you may have a different thought. Let me know down below if you've given it a go, or if you have been thinking about giving it a go. Would you give it a go? And amazingly, it's not scratchy. And I think that's mainly because there's only the 10% merino. But merino is temperature regulating as well. Bonus. This, flipping fabulous. My opinion. There it is. Let me know yours. And hopefully I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.